So guys, in my previous video we have seen how to handle the dangling character exception when we are doing the split. If not, I'll strongly suggest you to watch that guys. It's a very useful video. Now in this video we'll see how to convert the string array to the list in an efficient manner. Okay, so if you see here, my split is returning me the string array. Okay, now this I wanted to convert it to the list. Well, there were two methods. Okay, there were two methods here. What are those methods? Is first one is, of course, I'll get each and every string, then I will add the list manually. That is the first method. And the second method is using some really useful function. That those two we are going to see. Then it's up to you which one to pick it up. I suggest the second one, the inbuilt Java method, but that will take little bit of practice from you guys. Okay, as you can see here, I have a main method. Let me remove this one. I'm not using this. Yeah, I have a main method here with the class and the main method, and I have a string and a string array which I am splitting. Okay, now we need to convert this to the list, right? So let me take a list method, list variable, something like str list is equal to new array list. Okay, Java util, and this is also Java utils. Then just iterate to the to this one. This is a second myth. This is the one we'll do. String s in str array. Okay, here I will get the each and every array. Then I will add that to my list object. This we usually do, which is a common thing guys. Okay, so let me get the size of the list here, something like str list dot size. Okay, this we usually does, right? So what will be my size? Here I'll get two objects, two string things. Then I will iterate it, I will add it to the list, then I will get the size. So the size for me should be 2. Okay, here let me take something this. Yeah, now the size should be 2. Size is 2. Okay, which is okay. Here we are doing the lots of you know lines of code, right? So let me try out something different. Why not? So something like arrays dot to, you could see here arrays dot as list method, this one. Okay, as list of str array is equal to this. Copy it and paste it here. Now what I am doing, I am converting this string array as a list and I'm assigning to the str list. So previously we did a for loop, which is also okay, but one liner is much better for me. Okay, so yeah, why not give it a try. Two, right? Now let me experiment a bit here. Here I have str list, right? Dot, let me add something like another one, something like KB tutorials. I am adding another string object to my list. Now this is the first one at index of 0, then I am adding two more objects here. Now let's see the size. Now you see this is not a append function, guys. Now let me try to print it so that it's easy for you to understand. String s in str list. Indentation matters, guys. Control I. Okay, I will move this. Mm, now here I am adding one object, KB tutorials. Here I am converting a list to that. Now if I print this, only two will be there, hello and world. Okay. Now what I'll do is, instead of this, how I can str list dot add all. Okay, add all of arrays dot as list of this line, actually this line. So I just wanted to append it in the end instead of overwriting. Here I am simply creating that object. Right here I should get 3. Now you could see, right? Well, this is the useful nature. I hope. Here what I am doing is, instead of here I have added, previously I have created an object and I replaced the previous values. Now here this one I have added this one. After that, I in the end I have what I have did, I have added the two more you know uh, two more string objects into this using addAll method. Okay, and I'm getting the size, then I'm printing it here. This is also a useful thing. Now simply one more thing we'll do, something like collections dot sort of str list. Now what will does is, it will simply sort them in an ascending order. That's it from this video, guys. Thank you so much.